Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to check and fix storage disk errors in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So sometimes you may get some storage disk errors, so how to check earlier than getting such errors and how to fix them automatically. So for this, what you need to do, just move your cursor to the start menu, just click on it and just search for command prompt. As you can see, command prompt. Now just right click on it and you can see run as administrator. Just click on it to run it as administrator. Now you can see a command prompt applications or the program. Now under this command prompt you need to type one command named as chk dsk, that is a check disk. So once you type this command chk dsk, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Wait for some seconds until the processing gets complete. So finally our disk error checking has been completed. Now you can see here under this details, as you can see here, I don't have any bad sectors. That means I don't require any fixes. So if there is some bad sectors, then it will automatically try to fix any bad sectors or any disk errors that is available on your storage disk. So you don't need to do anything, just you need to run this command check disk in your command prompt and it will check and find out if there is any bad sectors in your storage disk or errors, and it will try to fix it by itself. So if you never known how to check or fix storage disk errors in any Windows computer, then definitely you should try this out once in your Windows computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.